we're back to learning CapCut in here, day 119. Let me show you the makeup retouching. Click on the plus sign to add your clip. I add it 2 times and stack it so that we can compare it to the original afterwards. And for the top one, go to video retouch. You have to scroll a little bit. Makeup is almost at the bottom. Check the box and then you can already see these inbuilt presets. Some of them are, as always, pro. They're indicated by these diamond icons, but it's pretty straightforward to use them. Simply cycle through them, pick one, and all of them have this degree slider, which is simply the intensity for all adjustments. And you can combine all of that. For example, let me also add a lipstick, adjust the degree. And maybe I also change the eye color a little bit. Once more, decrease intensity here. And once you've got it, it's pretty stable. On this I can adjust the makeup. Once more, you have to scroll a little bit to find it. When you can't see the presets, open the drop down and make sure that the box is checked. Then the effects will be applied. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.